Okay, so let's go ahead and print a label now that we're logged in. I'm going to take propofol here, and I'm going to show you the barcode for this drug is right here, okay? There's usually QR codes, or whatever this is called, on a lot of these medicine vials, but we're going to be looking for the old school barcode that's going to be on here. And all I'm going to do is underneath here, this red light, there's a crosshair that doesn't show up real well down here on my hand, but you can kind of see it. It's sort of a plus sign. That means that these can be scanned either in this kind of vertical orientation or horizontal orientation, but either way, I'm going to take that barcode, I'm going to lay it down here.
10 milligrams per milliliter.
And it will spit out a label. So this label is going to have the date and time that I prepared it, when it's going to expire, which this is the old standard of when propofol was like 6 hours, now it's 12 hours. But it's got my initials, so it shows you who drew this up if you're going to be handing off drugs or handing off cases or anything like that. The other benefit to this, and I was kind of talking while it went on, but it will audibly announce and produce a preview of the label up here. And that's good for two different things. One, you can see that you've got the right drug that you've scanned. And two, you can also hear a verbal confirmation that you have the right drug. So let me try that again.
Propofol, 10 milligrams per milliliter.
So you get the name of the drug, you get the concentration, and it gives you a label.